Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's staying warm. It is cold, cold, cold. Especially down south. We're not used to this cold. What we got going on today, fellas, is back on the EZGO. Last time we put our side case on, we put our crankshaft in, we've installed our pistons. We got the cylinder head on and got her torque down. We got to put our camshaft in. We got to throw our seals in, etc., etc. And so far, let me see if I can adjust this a little. There we go. It's been really hectic the past few days, so I hadn't had time really to get out and film anything. So we've got to put our breather in. This is a crankcase breather, etc., etc. It's still got to be done. So we got to get all of that done. Today, I'm kind of trying to refresh, kind of kick back and figure out what I got going on. And then, in my infamous destruction of things, I lost. This ought to be a hoot. Everybody ought to get a kick out of this. I lost this key. If you don't know what that is, that's the balancer shaft, and I've lost that little half moon key. It is here. I don't remember where, but it's here in this mess somewhere. And I'll find it. If not, they're a dime a dozen, I'm pretty sure. I hope. It's a pretty important part, and I can't believe I was stupid enough to misplaced it. Anyhow, that's where we at. Hey, the channel's growing, and I appreciate everybody that's allowing it to do that. So make sure as we get into this, y'all hit that like, share, and subscribe. In my analytics, it's saying that a lot of people look at the channel, but a lot of folks are not subscribed. Hey, it don't cost nothing. It's free. I'm not begging nothing but just followers. That's about it. So, if you're new to the channel, we're glad to have you. If you're an old standby, thanks for coming back and doing our stuff. It's cold as hell out here in this shop to me. But I'm out here and I've got to get some content out for you guys, so that's what we're doing. I'm trying to remember where I was last time. Anyhow, just a short update. There's going to be a series of short stuff coming and so on and so forth. So, I appreciate y'all tuning back in. I've got to put this plate on when we put the camshaft in, and it goes on that side right there. And what that does is it holds the camshaft in place. Camshaft. Ain't that cute? Camshaft, which camshaft looks really good in this. Now, I've always took good care of it, but before I got it, I didn't have a clue as to who took care of it and what. But it was taken real good care of, and it looks really good, so it's going to go back in. Somebody took time to change oil, that sort of stuff, etc., etc. Oh, sorry about the fingers, y'all. I'm filming today off my phone, so there we go. The oil pump breather goes in. I'll show y'all when we get to that point. Now, I have a key in this tray. but it's not that key. It's the key that goes, let me spin this around. Now I'm filming this one-handed, so yeah, I'm learning. Alright. This key goes in the crankshaft, right there. A little half moon key goes right there. I don't know what happened to the other one. I remember having it, but I don't know. It's called, hey Joe, you're getting old. You can't remember stuffs. But I'm sure it's here, and I'm sure we will find it. Something else, I didn't realize I was had done that, but in these new and upcoming videos, I promise that I will. I did not know that some of the comments on some of the videos were turned off. I don't mind you commenting. Hey, I'm not claiming to be a professional, and I value everybody's comment. But hey, guys, be respectful of one another. That's all I ask. I don't mind y'all commenting, but look, man, we ain't none of us in this to be a professional. If I was pro, I wouldn't be filming this on YouTube. You know, so y'all be kind to one another, because you know what? Kindness goes a long way with me, and so does respect. So no ugly comments. I'll turn them on, and y'all feel free to comment, like, share, and subscribe. This was just a little update as to where we were. We're trying to get the shop warm. Got my heater going. It's probably 60 degrees here. I hope everybody fared well from the snow. I heard it was ugly. Okay, guys, just a quick update as to where we're at. We're going to jump in this thing, get started. Thank you so much. Make sure you hit like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.